Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Toggl login problems, account and sync errors step by step clearly. If you're having trouble logging into your Toggl account, you're not alone. Start by checking your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for accessing the Toggl platform. If your connection is fine, move on to verifying your login credentials. Double-check your email and password for any typing errors. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Make sure to check your spam or junk email folder for the reset link. If you're still having issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve many login and syncing problems. Another option is to use a different browser or device. Sometimes, browser settings or extensions can cause conflicts. If possible, update your browser to the latest version. This ensures compatibility with the Toggl platform. Make sure you're using the official Toggl website or app. Third-party sites may not provide the same functionality. If you're using the Toggl mobile app, try logging out and then logging back in. This can refresh your session and resolve minor issues. Check for any ongoing server outages that could affect your login. Visit the Toggl status page for real-time updates. If the issue persists, consider disabling any VPN or proxy services. These can interfere with the connection to Toggl servers. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, ensure that it's set up correctly. Make sure you're entering the verification code promptly. If you suspect your account may be locked, reach out to Toggl support. They can provide specific guidance for your situation. Lastly, review any firewall or antivirus settings that may be blocking Toggl. Temporarily disabling these can help determine if they're causing the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your Toggl login problems. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.